Assalamu alaikum class 7th. Hope you all are fine. As you all know, we are revising our literature syllabus and we are doing chapter number 7, and we have done the first part in the previous lecture. I gave you a task that you are supposed to write summary of the first part, that was a frightening discovery. You were supposed to write the frightening discovery in your own words, kind of summary, and you were supposed to find intransitive and transitive verbs in this part. So now we are going to do the next part, that is plans. So today we are going to give it a reading. Like, I'll explain what happens in this part, and you are supposed to note each and every detail, a minute detail. For example, what type of guns Robinson had, and how many guns, how many goats and he had, and was he frightened, and what was he doing after discovering that cannibals are on the island, what was his reaction, and what plans did he make. And I'll give an interesting task at the end of the lecture as well. So let's begin. Plans. So when he got to know there are cannibals on the island, what did he decide to do? At first he was very afraid that there are cannibals. How would he manage to cope with them? How would he face them? And how would he fight them? He was very frightened. But after a while, he thought that he is less likely to be discovered. That means nobody knew that someone is living on the island. Nobody knows that what kind of a person is living on the island and where actually he is living and what kind of life he is living. किसी को भी पता नहीं था कि रॉबिन्सन आइलैंड पे है. So he was his concern was alleviated. That means वो उसका जो है थोड़ा सा डर ख़त्म हो गया. So he began to live in the same calm way as he was living before. पहले की तरह सुकून से रहना शुरू कर दिया. But he was a bit careful. Though he started living in the calm way, but carefully. And he took some safety measures in order to prevent himself from his enemies, from cannibals. कुछ सेफ्टी मेजर्स, कुछ प्रिकॉशंस, कुछ एहतियात, केयरफुल रहना शुरू कर दिया उसने ताकि वो जो कैनिबल्स से ख़ुद को बचा सके. सो व्हाट वाज द सेफ्टी मेजर्स दैट ही टुक? व्हाट डिड दीज सेफ्टी मेजर्स वर? Like, why was he careful? So I was very careful about firing my gun. So the first safety measures he took was he was careful about firing his gun. He did not want to fire his gun without any purpose, or he did not want anybody know that he is on the island or somebody is living on the island. तो पहला काम उसने क्या किया? He was careful about firing his gun. In case anyone on the island might hear. This is what he did. He was not firing his gun easily because he did not want anybody know that he is living on the island. So this is your first question, that what safety measures did Robinson take in order to prevent himself from being seen? तो पहले सेफ्टी मेजर ये था, he was careful about firing his gun. You have to write this summary, you have to write this in your own words. You do not need to copy the words and the words of your book. So second was, it was lucky that I had my herd of tame goats and so did not need to hunt anymore in the woods for 2 years after this. I do not think I fired my gun once, though I never went out without it. And as I had saved 3 pistols from the ship, I always carried them with me, sticking them in my belt. What was the second safety measure? It was he did not fire his gun for 2 years, and he did not hunt any goat because he already has his herd of tame goats. उसको ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी और goats को hunt करने की. He already had his herd of tame goats, so he did not hunt any goat for 2 years. He did not fire his gun for 2 years. And the next question is, what did he had? What kind of pistols and how many pistols did he have? So he had saved 3 pistols from the ship, and I always carried them with me, sticking them in my belt. I also cleaned and polished one of the large swords that I had from the ship and made a belt to fasten it to. So now I was very frightening man to look at when I went out. So how many pistols did he have? He had 3 pistols and a sword, a large sword, and he always carried them in his belt. And he made this belt to fasten it to. So what else did he have? He had 3 pistols, a large sword, and a belt to fasten it. To fasten what? To fasten sword. स्वॉर्ड को सेव करने के लिए. फास्टन का मतलब क्या होता है? टू प्रोटेक्ट, टू कीप. तो उसने अपना बेल्ट बनाई थी अपनी स्वॉर्ड को रखने के लिए. सो this is your second question. Next we have, what plans did he make? What was his first plan? Since you all have read this chapter. Once I dug a hole under the place where the cannibals made their fire. I wanted to put 5 or 6 pounds of gunpowder in it. This, when they lit their fire, would explode and blow up everything near it, but I decided not to waste my gunpowder on trying to kill them. I could not be sure that it would explode at the right time, so I changed my mind and gave up the idea. So this was his first plan. He wanted to dig a hole under the place where the cannibals made their fire. जहाँ पे cannibals आग जलाते थे वहाँ पे वो एक गड्ढा खोदना चाहता था. वहाँ पे खोद के वहाँ पे वो he wanted to put gunpowder in that hole, and he wanted to cover that gunpowder. And so when they lit the fire, that hole would explode and blow up everything near it. So what was the plan that was cancelled? First you have to tell what was the plan that was cancelled, that he did not like because he did not want to waste his gunpowder. This was his first plan, but he did not go for that plan. What was next plan? That I should place myself in hiding somewhere near with my 3 guns all loaded. Then in the middle of their dreadful feast I could shoot at them. I would be sure to kill or wound perhaps 2 or 3 at every shot. Then attacking them with my 3 pistols and my sword, I felt confident that if there were 20 I could kill them all. This idea pleased me so much that I dreamt about it. So what was his final plan? You have to answer these questions in your own word. It's kind of summary of the part plans. And here's another interesting activity that you are supposed to write. If you were in Robinson's place, what would you do? अगर आप रॉबिन्सन की जगह पे होते हैं, what plan would you make and follow? अगर आप रॉबिन्सन की जगह होते तो आप क्या प्लान बनाते in order to fight cannibals, in order to get rid cannibals? That's all for today. इस क्वेश्चन का आपने अपने ही वर्ड्स में आंसर लिखना है नीट कॉपीज़ पर, नोटबुक्स पर ऑफ लिटरेचर. And that's all for today. We'll do rest of the chapter, rest of the parts in the next video.